Seedance 2.5 was just launched and it's the best AI video model yet. Every clip that you're about to watch was created with Seedance 2.5. And I'll show you 10 different styles and clips that I've created on Artlist, and I'll show you how you can get the most out of the model and what this is capable of. Here is just a few samples of the clips that we will create in the next few minutes. It used to be pretty obvious when videos were created with AI, but I think we just hit a turning point where for some of these clips, you can't really tell anymore.
That guy has 7 fingers.
Wrong tab, wrong tab, wrong tab.
That's not real? Nope.
But here's what changed. With Seedance 2.5, you can now create even more realistic looking AI videos. And you can now create up to 30-second videos with full lip sync, character consistency, and generated audio that perfectly fits what is shown in the shot.
AI video is cheating. It's not real filmmaking.
Okay. Tell me this shot is fake.
Which camera did you...
One prompt, 30 seconds.
Yeah. Richard got tonight to install right here.
Send me the link.
Now you're probably commenting down below, oh, this is all just AI slop. And you might be right with that worry. Some people love this new tech and make the most out of it, and some people hate it. Either way, it's undeniable that the technology is here, so if you want to learn how to actually get the most out of this, stick around because I'll show you some techniques and what this is capable of, and let me know down in the comments below if you really hate this, or if you're actually going to use this for your own creativity, for your own business, or whatever use case you come up with. Real quick before we start, there's still some small limitation to Seedance 2.5. For example, currently it still caps out at 720p, and most people are expecting 4K video or 1080p video, but based on how they previously launched models, I assume that the higher quality versions will come out soon. That's just speculation on my part, but I can't imagine that they stick with 720p for now. Another limitation is that if you have really quick hand movement or really quick action shots, it might fumble. Another limitation is that if you have small text, it might not render them correctly, but you'll see in some of the videos that we generate, it is really good at having logo consistency and even rendering some of the text correctly. As soon as Seedance 2.5 was launched, I created over 50 different videos to really test it to its limits, and I'll show you 10 different styles that I was able to create with this that were previously not possible. I created all of these videos within Artlist. Some of the videos I created are really unhinged and other ones really surprised me. So let's get right to it. To get started, click on the link in the description below. This will bring you to Artlist, and you can see here that Seedance 2.5 is live as of today. You can use it within the AI toolkit or in the Artlist studio, where you can create full video projects. I'll show you how to create a few clips within the AI toolkit. Simply go to the video section and select the video model Seedance 2.5. You can also easily compare it with Gemini Omni Flash, the old model, which is Seedance 2.0, or any of the other leading AI video models. Now, quick note on pricing. If you click on the model, select the resolution and the duration, in this example 10 seconds, and you hover over the generate button, you see exactly that these 10 seconds would cost us 5,000 credits to generate. Now, pricing wise, Seedance 2.5 is not the cheapest model because it is the best. However, if you click on the link in the description below, you can see that on the yearly plans, you can get 180,000 credits for 90 bucks on the AI creator plan, or you select whatever budget you feel like. To convert that to Seedance 2.5 pricing, you get about 2,000 credits per $1, which means that each second of Seedance costs about 25 cents. And at 10 seconds of generation, you get about 30-second clips per month, or about 6 minutes of video. But keep in mind, this also comes with unlimited generations of some of the other models, for example, VO 3.1 Lite, Seedance 2.0 Mini, and a bunch of other models, as you can see right here. Now let's actually start generating some videos. The easiest way to generate a video is by typing in a simple prompt right here, and you can either add a start and an end frame, as well as an image reference or a video reference. And we will cover that in one of the other examples later. For now, I will just give it a simple prompt like this, select the time to be 12 seconds, and I'm going to choose the 16:9 aspect ratio. And I will hit generate. And if you want to follow along with this video, I've put all of the prompts that I'm using here in-depth Seedance 2.5 prompt playbook, which has more information on what Seedance 2.5 is, how to prompt it effectively, how to use the aspect ratios, as well as some of the prompts that I tested in this video. This is linked down below, as well as my even more in-depth AI video guide that has other models such as Grok, Kling, Seedance, and more prompting blueprints, as well as another 100 different prompts that you can test out. Some are prompts that went viral on social media, some are tailored product showcase prompts, some are optimized for Seedance 2.0, but you can also use them for Seedance 2.5, some are related to the Artlist agent, as well as all the prompts that we are covering today. To use this, simply copy one of the prompts, paste in the prompt right here, select the aspect ratio, the duration, as well as the resolution, and simply hit generate. And while the second video is generating, let me first show you this first shot that we created. That was awesome already, and the other shots will get even better. While the other video is generating, let me go over to the prompts and copy in a few more prompts. Here's a cool surfer shot in a bioluminescent wave. Hit generate. Here's a prompt of chocolate being poured over a glass sphere. And these ASMR videos went super viral about a year ago, so let's see how this model deals with them. Paste that in here, and we will do this with a few more shots. Now, before we review all of these shots, let me share with you why this is really powerful for businesses or for specific use cases. One example what makes this really powerful is by creating viral UGC talking head style videos. So you can create real UGC shots either on the beach, at a coffee shop, or in the get ready with me style, or testimonial videos. And let me create a few of these so you can see how realistic this looks. But beyond these, you can now create full scenes with multiple different consistent characters and consistent product shots. And in order to do this, simply describe the style, the characters that we're referencing, as well as the specific shots. And I like to label it with the approximate time of the shot, the number of the shot, and what's included, as well as what the people say. So let me copy this. I paste in the shot right here and hit generate. And you can create full skits that are 30-second in length with consistent characters. So if we take this prompt here, paste that in, and select the duration of 30 seconds, and hit generate, it will now create this entire skit. You can do the same thing with product showcase videos. So you can take this, paste in the prompt, and this time we have a reference serum bottle. We can click on image reference, click on upload image, and we will upload this reference image. And we can tag this in by saying @image1 and hit generate. I will do the exact same process for a few of the other prompts that I've generated here, including some of the comedy skits that you saw in the intro of this video. And then let's review some of these videos. We can either view these videos right here, or we can click on the download button and use these videos however we want to use them. Now to the fun part. Let's first watch the first few clips that each have a different effect, and then watch some of the skits and the longer form videos with the different scenes and see how they all perform. Let's first watch the first clip we created. I love the attention of detail with the birds and the bokeh, and overall this is great, but I think the next ones are going to be even more impressive. Here's a cool macro zoom out. Really cool. Here's the ASMR style video. We can kind of tell that the gold flakes don't look that real, but this part looks really solid. Now to an action shot of someone doing a cliff jump. That was impressive too, and you could still tell that it's a bit AI generated, but it looked better than any other AI model that I've tested on this prompt. Here's a mountain biking clip. And this is another one that looks super cinematic, but also realistic. Now let's see how it performs on sci-fi scenes. And once again, this looks really good and it looks like it was animated in a studio. Now let's see how it performs on some abstract shots. Here's a product reveal video. I like the subtle zoom outs and zoom ins. That is actually really good, and I wonder how it would perform if you give it a real product and if it's able to create a wireframe out of a real product. Let me know down in the comments if you want to see more of that next. But let's go back to realism and see how it performs on a cinematic shot. I'm just gonna pause the video right here and check out how realistic the shot looks. This looks really good. Now all of these were great, but let's see how it performs with full-length shots that have multiple scenes, and let's see if it can keep the characters consistent. Let's start with a more cinematic clip and then do some comedy skits.
So did you actually do it?
I quit this morning.
I love that. That looks really realistic and the characters are consistent throughout. And here's the shot you saw in the intro.
Bro, Seedance 2.5, it's over for real cameras.
That guy has 7 fingers.
Wrong tab, wrong tab, wrong tab. That's not real? Nope.
Honestly, that's pretty good, and it even has the comedic pauses in it. Here's another one just like that.
Welcome. Share when you're ready.
My AI gave everyone 6 fingers for a year.
Mine turned my dog into a chair mid-shot.
The faces, they melted.
But then I tried Seedance 2.5.
This is another one in a completely different style that also works pretty well. And here's another video that you saw in the intro.
AI video is cheating. It's not real filmmaking.
Okay. Tell me this shot is fake.
Which camera did you...
One prompt, 30 seconds.
Richard got tonight's installed by Harrison.
Send me the link.
And we were created with AI as well.
That's pretty good, and it's honestly one of my favorites. Here's another skit.
So, I brought my mom. She's in the car.
That's wow.
She rates all my dates. Wave.
I should probably...
She already ordered you a salad.
And here's a cinematic Blockbuster trailer.
In a world on the edge, jagged Obstian mountain fortress. Its secant mountain fortress perched on a cliff, its ancient ruins flickering barely. You cannot stop what's coming. Will it? Soon.
And to finish it off, here are 2 product-style videos that you can use for marketing.
I genuinely use this every day now. Let me show you why. The mandarin and rosemary scent is just divine. This changed my whole routine.
If you want to try this out yourself, the link for Artlist is down below, and let me know what you end up creating. Do you think this is kind of dystopian because it looks so good and so real and it's kind of hard to figure out what is real and what's not anymore? Or is this a great tool that you can use in your creative toolkit or use for your business and make money with it? Curious to hear your thoughts in the comments, and I also want to hear what else you want to see me create. All of the prompts that I used are in a guide that I've linked down below, and I've made another video on how to create cinematic shots with these kind of tools. I think you would want to watch that one next right here. Thanks so much for watching. Like the video if you liked the video, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I have another video like this coming out next week, and if you subscribed, I'll see you in the next one.